Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix any missing channel that you are experiencing on your Dstv decoder. So maybe the channel is supposed to be part of your package, but you are not finding it on the decoder, or it's not working. So the first thing that you need to do is to check your channel list and then all the channels that is available on your Dstv decoder. So you pick up your remote, you press on the blue button, which is the Dstv logo, and it's going to take you to the Dstv menu. And here, use the arrow left and right, and then put it on planner. You can use the TV guide, which is a shortcut to the menu, but for you to get through whatever you need to know about it, or the menu, come to the planner, put it on TV guide, you press OK on it, and on the right side of the page we have all channels over here. So all channels supposed to show all the channels that is on the Dstv decoder, not all the channels that is on your package. So if it doesn't appear here, you need to search it from my Dstv channels. That's supposed to be the channels that is on your package. This decoder doesn't have any subscription on it at the moment. So the channels that will be listed on this or in this menu supposed to be working on your decoder. So if it doesn't find it over here and you don't find it in all the Dstv channels as well, you need to come back to this menu, that's the settings, and then you need to scan the decoder to check whether it's gonna come up. So you come down here, the settings menu, you come down to the satellite settings, you press OK on it, come to the home network, press OK on the home network. Alright, so on this page you just proceed with the scan all, and you press OK on it. So after scanning, you need to wait patiently for it to actually complete the scanning. After scanning, you're supposed to get a channel on your decoder. If it doesn't appear on your decoder, whether in all the channel list or part of your package, if it's not part of your main Dstv channels, which will be a clear indication that they have taken it off from your package. And if it's not available on all the Dstv channels too, it will be that Dstv have actually taken it off from their platform. So you should know about it. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we keep coming back for more. Alright, thanks for watching.